Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacconana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home. Today I would like to elicit your help in coming up with a hashtag that we can use to tag the videos for vintage petrol lighters, or really just any kind of petrol lighter in general. Visiting in the comments of a video a few weeks ago, one man and his pipe had suggested YTLC, but this just seems to me like it's trying to piggyback off the YTPC, and not only that, but it doesn't have the same ring to it. The Zippo guys have the Zippo Mafia hashtag. I'm not sure if Dylan came up with that, or if that was Comrade T-Man, ZF77, who actually coined that Zippo Mafia term, but that works very well. I don't have any problem using that one, and I think that is a great hashtag to gather all those Zippo videos together. But what I do here goes far beyond just Zippos and really reaches out into every brand of petrol lighter that I come across. So I would like to come up with something that we could share with new lighter guys as they come online, so that we're not all just fumbling out there in the dark trying to find each other's videos, waiting for the algorithm to show them to us, but we can be tagging them when newcomers come online for themselves. They see that hashtag and will know to post just like they do in the YTPC. I left a comment earlier in the week on a Facebook group post over on the Zippo Addicts page, which if you haven't been over there to check that out, you need to get over there and do that. If you're a Zippo fan, then you really need to be on that Zippo Addicts Facebook group page. There was a gentleman over there letting everyone know that coming in April, he would be starting a new YouTube channel focusing on Zippo. That's when it occurred to me that it would be nice if we had a hashtag that we could share for vintage lighter guys in general, or really, as I said, petrol lighters, or really just petrol lighters in general. Doesn't have to be vintage, it can be brand new as long as it's petrol. I just don't do anything with butane. But not wanting to piggyback off just exactly what the YTPC did, and also wanting to come up with something maybe a little witty or clever or fun. I don't know if they actually make people into that Zippo Mafia. I don't know. Maybe I should have asked before I used that tag. Was that okay, Dylan? Am I using it correctly? Anyway, I think that's a great tag. I think that's one that definitely deserves to have those Zippo videos gathered around that hashtag. And it's not even something that I think is really all that important for the overall performance of the video. It's more about allowing the collectors, users, repairmen, dealers, whatever we all call ourselves, and getting all those videos in one place so that they're not just scattered about and waiting for the system to bring them all together for us. We'll go ahead and curate our own community here of petrol lighter enthusiasts within the YouTube interface. By the way, the gentleman who was starting the new Zippo themed YouTube channel, the channel name I believe was J Row Lights. You can find his channel listed over in the channels that I am subscribed to. I subscribe to every lighter channel that I come across. Every petrol lighter channel. There are plenty of butane lighter guys even that I have subscribed to, because they can probably teach me something, and maybe some point down the line I'll be able to use one of their videos to fix one of the butane lighters that I use. But I only sell petrol lighters. I only make repair videos for petrol lighters. So that is my plea to you here in this video today. What kind of hashtag, what clever name or term can you guys come up with that we can attach to these Petrol lighter videos so that we're not all just out there fumbling around in the dark, but rather have a centralized place somebody can just simply go in, type in this hashtag, and know that it's going to gather up everything that YouTube has to offer that has been tagged in that manner. So, one man in his pipe, thank you for the inspiration. If you have any other suggestions, I would love to hear them. Glad to see that your videos are no longer disappearing and that you are once again enjoying the community that we all share here on YouTube. I was commenting on that post where J Row Lights was telling everyone that he was getting ready to start this channel, that YouTube is a great community. It has been nothing but positive for me. There's been a troll or two, a harassment of, a nuisance sort of nature once or twice in my email or in the comment section. There used to be quite a bit of spam that I would be hit with every morning when I published a video, but the system seems to pretty much take care of all that now. But the down part about that, though, is I believe it is also getting rid of some of you guys' comments before I get a chance to see them as well. So if you ask a question and I don't respond, ask it again the next day. You're not going to offend me. The only thing that I really get tired of is people asking about butane lighters, and it's not because I don't want to help or anything like that, or I hate butane. It's simply that I can't help. I'm no use to you. I can help you with pretty much just about anything on a Petrol lighter, give you some kind of guidance, or at least point you in the right direction. But with butane, I am just as ignorant can be. So my head hurts from thinking about it all day, trying to come up with something. That's why I'm making this video today, hoping that you guys will save me some time and some brain cells and hopefully a little bit of trouble. And somebody will just throw out a really clever name out there that we can all start using. Daniel, Comrade T-Man, when he does an IMCO, I know he doesn't just use Zippos. Magic Lighter, trying to think of all the non-strictly Zippo guys. I already mentioned Comrade T-Man. JK Stuff, that's another really good one. That guy does all kinds of lighters. Terry Travels the Universe, Meagle Ring, all you guys who are not just strictly Zippo fanatics. I would love to hear your input. I hope somebody has a really clever name, something that will really stand out and, maybe even get us some attention over there in the search listings other than just gathering all of our Petrol lighter videos together. Until next time. By the way, did you notice I'm still using this and it's still lighting?